In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Wrike with Google Calendar. To begin, let's start by going to your Wrike dashboard. You can easily find this by navigating to the Wrike homepage and logging in. The dashboard is your central hub for managing all your tasks, projects, and in this case, integrations. Once you're on the dashboard, look to the upper right corner where you'll find your profile icon. Go ahead and click on it. This will reveal a drop-down menu with various account settings options. Here, we want to select the Apps and Integrations option. Clicking this will take you to the Integration section, where you can manage existing connections or add new ones to enhance Wrike's functionality. On the Apps and Integrations page, you'll see a menu on the left-hand side. Look for All Integrations and click on it. This will display a comprehensive list of all applications and services that can be connected to Wrike. From here, we want to find Google Calendar. To do this quickly, use the search bar located at the top of the page. Type in Google Calendar and hit Enter or click the search icon. Once Google Calendar appears in your search results, you'll notice an option to Get Wrike Integrate. This is what enables the synchronization between Wrike and Google Calendar. Click on Get Wrike Integrate to proceed. At this point, you may notice prompts for permissions. Make sure to carefully review these, as Wrike and Google Calendar will need access to certain information to work together seamlessly. The next step involves ensuring that you have the correct plan to enable Wrike Integrate. You will need to click on Subscription from your account settings to verify which plan you are on. If you are not on a paid plan that includes integrations, you might need to purchase an upgrade. The subscription page will guide you on the options available and the process to complete an upgrade, should it be necessary. This tutorial walks you through the integration process only. Once you've connected Wrike with Google Calendar, you should see updates reflected in real time between both platforms. This means any new tasks you create in Wrike can appear on your Google Calendar and vice versa. This integration is designed to help you manage your time more efficiently, ensuring you're always up to date with your tasks and schedules. And there you have it, a quick and straightforward way to integrate Wrike with Google Calendar for smoother project and schedule management. If you have any questions or run into issues, be sure to check out Wrike's support page for additional guidance. Thanks for watching, and remember, keeping your tools integrated is key to staying productive and organized.